So, actually, ako rin yung copy rin ako ni sa katong previous one. And then, kanina ka-red, what's the significance of the, kanina ka-red nga mga text? Kanina ka-red nga mga text, mga wanay pulos. Mga times 0. Times 0, then, we cannot use this one. And then, the third one, di ba, is 0. So, di na nato na siya magamit. So, for a 3-story din nga building, matik di ay, ang atong magamit is kani o kani lang. Times its cofactor, the determinant of its minor, and this one. So, since this is useless, let's going to solve for this one. We have equal to 6,439.99261 minus b times ato sa ning kanon si sulod. Ato ning itag-sa-tagsaon. Ato na i-multiply and then etc. So 9,428.389934 times 5,169.145,384. Sige yun. So may buhato na to ana. Ato din siyang since we have you're going to multiply that, ato na siyang isulat diri. 48,736,718.31. And then we multiply that to the other variable, which is 0.25. So minus 2,357.097,097,484b. Next is kani. So negative 0.5b times 5169.145,384. That becomes minus 2,584.572,572,692b. And negative 0.5 times negative 0.25, that becomes positive 0.125b squared. Okay. Minus on the right, we have this one squared. This is minus 26,720,064. And then this one, this part, no, minus, okay, we have minus of a negative, so this becomes a positive. Plus 4,259.24455 times the quantity of, okay, matik na din ide. Times, we have negative 4,259.24455 times 5,169.145,384. That becomes negative 22,016,654.3 minus or plus 1,064.811113. Oops. 3,8b. So, iwas na to. We have 6,439.99261b times, no, at combined like terms. Kani, we can combine that there. Pwede na siya. That becomes 22,016,654.31 minus, say minus, kinsa man ni sila. Ato ni combine like terms din tanan no kay para dito dugay. Since naman sila sa sulod. So that one, that becomes 4,941.670176b plus 0.125b squared. If distribute na siya dire, this becomes minus 93,774,314 93,774,314,840 plus 4,500, no, not 4,000, but 4,565,291.036 B. Oops, we forgot the B on this part. So in this problem, you need to practice because dali rin itanawon because everything is already encoded. But once you write down, you try to solve, it takes time. For a single problem, some of you might take, let's say, 1.5 hour or 2 hours or 3 hours to solve. So you need to practice, especially in this part where we're going to get the determinant of the matrix. Kuti kayo ni siya kay dagan kay masayip ani. So let's continue. We are going to distribute this to the whole equation, of course. I mean to the on this part lang. So this becomes 141,000. We have 6,413.99. 99261 times 22,016,654.31. This becomes 141,787,000,091,100 minus 31,824,319.41 B plus 804.999. That's 99076 B squared. And then we distribute this one, the other one. This becomes minus 22,016,654.31 B plus 4,941.67176 B minus 0.125 B cube minus 93,774,314,840 plus 4,565.291.036 billion. This becomes 141 billion times 787,091,100 minus 53,840,973.72 billion plus 5,746.669252 B squared minus 0.125 B cubed minus 93,774,314,840 plus 4,565.291,036 B. So as you can see, there is the one here with no terms and the other one with B. So inyong buhaton yun is you need to combine like terms. So diba we have this form. Mani ako nasulat man. And since we have B and another B and kanisha, the constant. So combine like terms. So yung ani iyang itsura, it will be in this form. And of course, we are going to rearrange this. We multiply, since this is equal to 0 with negative 1, we can rearrange that in that form. After rearranging that in that form, since this is B cubed, this is the B is unknown, we're going to use, let's say, mode 5 to get the roots of the equation. Since this is cube root, this is a cubic equation, then we can get 3 roots. This is the roots, B1, 2, and 3. Una ninyo makuha na is kinadak-an, and then last ang kinagamyan. But let us consider the kinagamyan as our B1. This will be our fundamental mode shape. It represents pinakagamay. And since we have our B1, B2, and B3, and B is equal to omega squared, ang natural frequency is just the square root of b. So we have our natural frequency for